We're diving deep into Huawei's flagship wearable, the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. With its ultra-premium build, health tracking capabilities, and standalone SIM support, this might just be Huawei's most powerful smartwatch yet. Design and build quality. The Huawei Watch 4 Pro is nothing short of stunning. It features a titanium case with a ceramic back and a sapphire glass display, giving it a rugged yet luxurious feel. The 48mm case is bold and masculine, clearly aimed at those who prefer a strong wrist presence. Display. The 1.5-inch AMOLED display is a real highlight. It's bright, ultra-crisp, and very responsive, with vivid colors and deep blacks. Whether you're reading messages or checking your heart rate in the sun, visibility is no issue here. Software and performance. The Watch 4 Pro runs Harmony OS 3.0, and it's buttery smooth. Navigation is intuitive with a responsive touchscreen and a rotating crown. You can scroll through apps, check weather, manage notifications, and even take calls directly from the watch thanks to the built-in SIM support. Battery life. Battery life is excellent. You get around 4 to 5 days of regular use or up to 21 days in ultra-long battery life mode, that's including full health tracking and SIM usage. Overall, the Huawei Watch 4 Pro is a powerhouse. It's clearly aimed at those who want the best in build quality and health features, and don't mind spending a bit extra. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.